Hey, it's Thursday, which means it's our Thursday Q&A of the week. My name is Emmanuel Osiseri, your online personal trainer and wellness coach. And today's fitness question asks, how dangerous is sugar to our health and how can you stop this addiction? Great question. So right off the bat, I'm never going to be one of these people that say go cold turkey, don't ever eat anything sugar or go paleo or any of that stuff. I just ate a donut this morning and it was great and I have no regrets. But I will say, what makes sugar dangerous is that it's addictive, and so the more you eat, the more harmful it is. And so I think it helps that we recognize how sugar works. And sugar attaches to our dopamine centers in our brain, which is our reward centers. And so anytime we're feeling down, anytime we're feeling like we need a pick-me-up, and we use sugar, our brain is recording that as, this is going to make me feel better. And that's how it becomes an addiction, because it's obviously very good. And the thing that's dangerous about it is it never feels or satisfies us. And so we can eat more and more and more and more and more and never really feel that we have enough. So to answer the second part of this question, some of the things that we can do is we can drink water each time we have a sugar craving. And then we can also drink water after we have that craving so that we're not craving more sugar. I even heard that mouthwash or brushing your teeth can help with your sugar craving as well. I actually tried it and it's kind of crazy. Another thing that we can do is we can substitute candy or processed sugar with more natural sugar like fructose that we can find in fruits. And then just being mindful and aware of our habits. I think that also goes a long way. And whatever you do, try not to feel guilty whenever you have sugar in excess, whether it's on a weekend or with friends. That's just going to make you feel guilty and bad and just, it's just going to start this vicious cycle. Instead, whenever you have too much sugar and you know you have too much sugar, just make it a point, all right, where did I go wrong? Let me make that correction and just move on with your life and enjoy life. So that's all I have. Guys, I hope this helps. I hope that helps to answer your question. Like I said, I eat sugar myself and it's all about moderation. As usual, I had a blast making this video for you guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, tap that subscribe button, and let's do this again sometime.